The ayes have it, the ayes have it. And look!
UK Parliament has voted in favour of a bill concerning medically assisted death. The bill that would allow terminally ill patients with 6 months or less left to live to end their lives with medical help was approved this morning by a vote of 330 to 275 after a heated parliamentary debate. In coming months, more debate is expected on the issue that has divided the country and raised questions about the standard of palliative care in the UK. Now, earlier in the day, those in favour of the law and those against it gathered in front of Parliament to vocalise their concerns. Canada's medically assisted death bill currently allows for those suffering from grievous and incurable medical conditions, and a controversial amendment which would allow those with mental illness to qualify has been the subject of debate in recent months.
It's been a really emotional day on top of an emotional number of months. And I never even wanted to be an MP. But look, we've shown Parliament in its best light today. Very respectful, very compassionate debate, irrespective of the different views that people hold. We take the bill to the next stage now. We continue the process, and it will be a very thorough process. But we also have to champion all the issues that have been talked about today, whether that's palliative care, whether that's the rights of disabled people, the NHS. All those things are important, and I look forward to working with colleagues to achieve the many things that have been discussed today.
We now have months of further debate, and I'm hopeful that colleagues who have expressed concerns will either succeed in strengthening the bill to make it safe, or they'll conclude they haven't been able to do that, and then we can defeat it at the later stage, at third reading.
Potentially there might be a glass of wine involved, but I'm going home to my sons, and we'll have a celebration. If the law comes in quickly enough, it'll give me a bit of insurance in my pocket in case things go a bit squiffy. There are a lot of people who it's going to help. Hopefully I'll be one of them.
I mean, I do absolutely respect the people who were opposed to it and their heartfelt reasons for why they were opposed. But this was always about choice, and they still have choice. But now so do we. And I'm feeling very emotional, but it's a marvellous day,
Day to day, it won't impact my life, hopefully not for a long time, but I look around at the people here and the experiences they've had with their loved ones, and it will make those experiences feel, even in some tiny way, that they were worth something, that something good came out of something that was really terrible.
Relief that there are so many people out there that have a hope that they may not have to suffer the way that so many loved ones have suffered in the past. This can only be a positive result. It feels to me like finally Parliament has listened to the will of the people, and I'm delighted.